Well, I joined Simon straight after leaving my undergraduate studies, my engineering degree. My priority was to fill the gaps I had in my education in respect to business. I received very good recommendations at the U.S. Embassy in Rome about Rochester. During my first year, I certainly developed an understanding that business is a lot more than numbers, and there is such an important aspect of the softer side of business. The biggest aspect of leadership is to be able to align people, to convince people of what's the right thing to do, and align an organization behind the vision, behind an objective, and make sure that that is pursued. I remember the classes of Professor Jensen in terms of human behavior, organizational behaviors, and they have had a great impact on my leadership style along my career. The ethical principles that are required today to be a successful business leader are exemplified in many of the things that I learned at Simon. We have survived through 2 or 3 major crises that probably would have crippled any other company, the last of which being the loss of the patent of Prozac, which meant losing a $2.5 billion product in one shot, and still surviving through it, and possibly now, 2 years from that happening, setting ourselves as being one of the company with the best expectations in the next decade. So I can say that some of the things that I've learned at Simon, I'm unconsciously applying every day in my job.